Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NSPR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward, and that question revolves around the fact that today was a nice little move. Sure, it pulled back a little bit, but from where it was down here to where it closed, good solid move right there. But like I said, that does bring about the question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce, that doesn't really have any sort of true power behind it? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about this point right here at 97 cents. Why is 97 cents so important? Well, if you stop and think about it, and hopefully we can all agree on this logic, that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're thinking and saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So keep in mind 97 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say if the price pulls back here and bounces around here again, I say again because it's actually already happened a couple of times, both there and there, but then heads back up, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps that are continuing to progress in the upwards direction. And again, that is the name of the game. You want to see progress forward. So to me, I'm just defining and quantifying the word quote unquote progress as 97 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? Where are some of these next potential key battlegrounds at? Next overall level, going to call right up here at about $1.07. Seems like a random price, but going back through the history, you can see on a couple different occasions, there definitely seems to be sellers hanging up right around this area. So $1.07, next key level. But in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority. Top priority right now is going through some healthy consolidations and building that higher base. So we'll see what happens with it and how the bulls close out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.